So what's the next thing that we should do in this contract? Well, we probably want to keep track of the users who send us money in this contract. So we can keep an array of addresses called funders and keep updating that depending on who actually sends us money. So up at the top, we'll make an address array or an address list. We'll make it public and we'll call it funders. And anytime somebody sends us money, we'll say funders dot push message.sender. Like message.value, message.sender is another global variable we can use in Solidity, which refers to whoever called this function, the sender of the transaction to this contract. So if we're on Sepolia and we initialize a transaction from our MetaMask, the message.sender is going to be this account right here. And then maybe we want to even make a mapping of addresses to make it easier to look up how much money each funder has sent. So we'll make a mapping of an address to a uint256. We'll call it public address to amount funded. Now, something that's newer in Solidity is you can actually name the types in your mapping. So you could say address funder mapped to uint256 amount funded. Usually this is what's known as a little syntactic sugar. It's just to make it easier to read what this mapping is, right? Funder to amount funded. And then our variable name is very explicit, address to amount funded. Now, if somebody funds our contract, we'll of course do address to amount funded, the message.sender's address plus equals whatever they previously have funded plus message.value, whatever they're additionally adding. All right, great. And now we have a way for us to keep track of funders sending money to our contract and have an easy way with a mapping to look up how much they've spent in total.